Welcome to Courtline Media, where every case has a story and every verdict changes lives. Let's step inside the courtroom.
Damn, I didn't mean to do that. Nigga. This man. Swerve, nigga. Hey. I don't know what to do with it.
Case People versus Keenan and Grimes.
Defender Natalie, on behalf of Mr. Grimes, stands to my right. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Teresa Claire on behalf of probation. Your Honor, Mr. Grimes is before the court for evaluation of probation hearing. Mr. Grimes was sentenced in this case in September of 2015. Was originally given a heightened sentence that was revoked back in 2016. Since that time, Your Honor, Mr. Grimes is still in violation of any of the court's orders. In that, he has a balance of $1,503. He did have a payment that was made to the court in April of 2023. However, that was due to a garnishment that the court had set out. There is a balance of that of restitution that is $265.05. Mr. Grimes failed to report to probation, failed to complete the class, failed to complete 25 hours of community service, failed to provide his GED, failed to provide proof of employment. He also has two pending cases, one out of 42 that is domestic violence, alleged date of offense of November 7, 2019. He has a pretrial in that matter on the 27th, in 2 days. He also has a pending case out of 14B and aggravated assault and alleged date of offense of May 31st, 2024. He has a pretrial in that case in July of 2024. Given the non-compliance by Mr. Grimes, probation recommending 93 days jail, credit for 13 days served, that he served the bail, waiver remaining terms, except its financial obligations as a discharge of probation.
Thank you, Your Honor. I did have the opportunity to discuss both the alleged violations of probation as well as the recommendation with Mr. Grimes. He does acknowledge the violations of probation. Our request at this time is for the to respectfully request the court to considering discharging him from probation without improvement. Of course, still imposing the financial obligations. We are respectfully requesting the court to consider not remanding him today, as he did serve 13 days already so far for his violations. He does have full-time work at Noodles and Company. He has been employed there full-time for 4 months. His two cases that are pending are misdemeanor matters and are still pending at this time. We are respectfully requesting the court to discharge him from probation without improvement and not impose any additional jail time at this time.
Yeah, give me anything you want to say.
I can pay 150 today if needed.
Pardon?
I can pay 150 today.
I'm not really worried necessarily about the money. I'm trying to figure out why you didn't do anything.
Yeah, I just been all over the place. So I am trying to get them on my records. So.
Pardon?
So I've been all over the place. I am trying to clear my records. So that's what I'm here.
You got two. This similar that of date of offense on the domestic was in 2019, correct?
Correct.
And what was he just on bench warrant stat? What?
I don't believe so. You're right.
You have an ag. You have an ag. Well, she's looking at that. You have a brand new while you're on this case. And on bench warrant on the other case, you got a new ag assault that you picked up on May 31st.
That's an alleged case, though.
What?
That's an alleged case, though. I was arrested for warrants. I just
I realize it's alleged. They're all alleged until you come to court to take care of it.
Yes, sir.
I mean,
That was not a bench warrant decision.
all right. Anything else you want to say?
No, sir.
We're going to waive all remaining terms of set financial obligations, discharge from probation without improvement. Defendant is sentenced to 93 days in jail. Give him credit for 13. Defendant served balance. Defendant's remanded.
Damn, he going to jail. Damn, he going to jail. That's
Washington. This case is 10 o'clock. He's been utilized in Boston office this morning.
Case, People versus Marcus Washington.
Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Martin on behalf of Mr. Washington. Washington, can you unmute and state your name for the record, please?
my name is DeMarcus Washington.
Your Honor, there are two files in front of you. One, he owes about $700, I'm sorry, $500 on, or $525, I think, $507. He paid a $500 bond. On the other one, I think that one he might owe $325, and he paid a $300 bond. He just got out of prison in the last couple of months, just getting back to working. I'd ask that you just apply.
Did he pay the bond? I don't have. I had the bonds being set, but I don't have that he paid him.
I'm not sure JAS just reflected that he paid bonds on both cases.
You see the bonds on either. I see the bonds set, but I don't see payment. I see the bond set on each case, but I don't see that he paid it.
Well, if I misread, I apologize. I'd ask then to adjourn the show cause so he can, he's been in prison for 5 years, so he's kind of just getting back on his feet. And back to work.
Are you working currently, sir?
Yes, I work at the Lexington events in Belleville. And Judge Simpson, I just wanted to ask you, as you know what I'm saying, somebody who just did 5 years in prison. And you know, these cases are misdemeanors. And I did just get sent to prison from Washington County. I was wanting to know if you could run anything concurrent with the time I've just done, because I just came home May 30, 2019.
Sir, I don't have any proof that you did any time in prison. I don't have any of that in front of me.
Okay. Well, I'm saying,
so I'm going to adjourn this to July 10, 2024 at 9 a.m. Council get together something for me to take a look at.
Okay.
As well, thank you. As well as in case if I decide that he needs to at least pay one of these, how we would do that.
Sure. Thank you.
So July 10th.
July 10th.
Okay.
And next, make sure that you understand how to work Zoom so you're not interrupting my court.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
I don't have a phone number to call, so I don't. Yeah.
Oh, back there.
Yeah.
That's right.
I'll
Then, yo, they set out interrupting the court and everything, yo.
Now, just kick. Yeah, they recorded everything, y'all.